Welcome back, everybody. We're having a fight with my GPS right now. Oh, turtles, birds, people. Anybody behind me? No, no. Gorgeous. So gorgeous. See the turtle and the birds? Yep. And the people. People on the boat. What is today? The 8th. April 8th. Almost tax time. And what are we doing? We are on the Guadalupe River Road. It's telling me to do something. It wants me to stay to the left to Rocky Top Ranch Road. So we're playing with this thing still. I'm just trying to figure out if I like it. Rocky Top Ranch Road is that new road up here that I saw, and I need to take it, but we're not doing it today. It's trying to get me over to 35. Rocky Top Ranch Road is closed. You can't do that. I'm sorry. We're learning, right? There we go. We're gonna continue straight to River Road, so now I can talk. We're done fighting with the new GPS unit. And I am on the River Road in New Braunfels. Well, I'm quite a bit away, 20 miles from New Braunfels, but it's the River Road. Love this road, and you're gonna see me ride this road a lot because a lot of my rides now, see here's that new road I wanna check out. A lot of my rides now are not on the weekends, and they're not for big rides. I'm not traveling anymore. Well, as of now, I'm not traveling. What I'm doing is after work, I get to go for a ride. That's some really poor choice of words. This is when I take my rides. I don't want to say I prefer to take my rides at this point in time, or I have to take my rides at this point in time. This is where I have the time to take my rides after work. So it's usually needs to be fairly quick. The English, what is wrong with the English today? I'm gonna blame work once again. I just got off work. I'm gonna take a quick ride down my favorite road, which seems like this is on every single video. But what we're doing is we're still just playing with this thing to see if I like it or not, because this is going to be my new unit in the summer if it doesn't overheat, because I'm having problems with my phone overheating. It'd be cool if you like did something. Okay, that works. That works. I'm not even gonna complain about turn signals, because we all know Hondas don't have working turn signals. It's a defect. You guys didn't know that, did you? Yeah, it's a defect. It's probably the defect, you know, the nut behind the wheels, whatever they say. Yeah, that's where the defect is. So like I said, this is probably going to be the new thing that I'm going to be using. They're like 80 bucks on Amazon, and it just mirrors your phone. It has Android Auto, CarPlay, all the stuff, right? So if you have that on your vehicle, it's super easy to use. You pair your phone to your helmet and to this thing, and away you go. And I've only had a couple times where it's like unpaired, and I'm like, now what do I do? So I just unpair my helmet, and then I pair it back up again, and then we're good to go. I don't know. I don't know if that's normal. I don't know the fix. That's just what I do, and away we go. I still haven't found a place to keep my phone, because if it's in that little storage compartment, today's 80 degrees, it feels amazing out. Let me itch my nose. But if it's any hotter, that gets crazy hot in there. So that's not a solution, not in Texas. Last time I threw it in my pocket, that is also not a solution, because it gets really hot in my pocket. So I think what I'm gonna do is get a tank bag, maybe? I don't know. I got the frunk. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get like a little bag that's insulated, throw an ice pack in there, throw my phone on ice up front, and let it be. And if I need to charge it, I'll charge it. I don't know. Figure it out, right? But so far I like this. Oh, got some rapids. See the The little baby rapids right there. Yeah, yep. And then, of course, mountain here. Let's downshift a little bit more. A river road comes right up to there, doesn't it? Yeah, and then, I dig it. That's why I like this road. Last time they were having some type of hippie festival down here. So, we'll see, we'll see. I dig, so this is still very new to me, right? The state of Texas, the stuff that's around here. So I like seeing how busy it's going to be. That way I need to, if I need to find another road to ride in the summer, I will. Because what I don't want is to hop on a road and it's just 5 miles of traffic because people are trying to tube 2 inches of water. You know what I'm saying? I don't want that. But as of now, I do my ride, and that's usually how it is. I just ride. I do my thing. I look at the river, I look at the hill, and I enjoy hill country, on my Can-Am Spyder. Seeing the world on my Spyder. Hey, don't I wish. Let's get woed down. I love coming up to the edge and looking. Don't see no fish, no fishermen. No cars, get right to the edge. See any fish? I don't see any fish. I was not expecting to see that dump truck on the river road, but they are repaving down here, so we're gonna have that. Big Bird. What up, Big Bird? Oh yeah, they got like the underside of the tips of their wings are white. It is so cool. There's one. There was one walking. It had to get up the hill because I was coming. Ooh. Vacation rentals. So let me know what you think. I informed my wife of this just the other day. I was like, hey, I think we're gonna start a new YouTube channel. She kind of looked at me and I said, yep, it's going to be the adventures of Spencer and Debbie, blah blah blah. And she just kind of looked at me. So yeah, I think we're going to do another YouTube channel. We'll just see. I mean, we have new adventures coming up, maybe, I don't know. Her work, it's crazy, but I think that's what we're gonna do. So, stay tuned, I guess. I've never noticed the rock things. Even though I'm on this road quite a bit, twice a week sometimes. I really need to find another good road. Oh no. Utility work ahead. That's a big tractor to mow that little bit of yard. All right. Okay. I mean, if that's what you want. Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. We've had some rain down through here, and so everything's nice and green. It was really cool the other day. It was like 50 degrees for high. Everybody was freaking out. Not everybody, and they weren't freaking out. I'm being a little bit dramatic on that, but it was cold for Texas for this time of year, and we were on base. They were having some type of resale, big yard sale, and it was crazy how bundled up people were for 50 degrees. Of course, I'm out there in a t-shirt and shorts, and people were hats, big, thick, heavy to me, they look very heavy coats and jeans, and I was just shaking my head. I'm assuming eventually, sometime in the near future, that you know, it's gonna be 50 degrees and I'm gonna be like, it's cold, what happened? But as of now, I kind of dig the cooler weather, because you step outside and you're like, oh, it's cool. The breeze is cool. I know here pretty soon I'm not going to be saying that. It is just gonna be hot. It'll be 104 degrees and I'll be trying to figure out how to stay cool. So I dig it. I dig the cooler temperatures. Like 81 degrees is what the Spyder's telling me. I don't know if you can see it here anywhere. I don't think so. And it feels so nice. I'm assuming the humidity is low. That's why it feels so nice. Speed limit's 20, people. See that? 20. We're almost doing 20. No cars. No cars. Someone's laying down in the river. Probably getting a bath, you know. Staying at the hippie camp. Oh, someone else just popped up. They were under the water. How you doing? Driving with the dog in the lap. Yeah, that's always fun, right? Easy tow. Oh, they throw all their stuff in the easy tow. Well, that's cool. I get it. And yes, what I am doing is I'm checking out every single one of these campers right now. My wife and I for Easter are renting a travel trailer, and we're gonna hook it up to the Silverado, and we are gonna go up to Canyon Lake and stay Friday night, Saturday night, and Sunday. I will be taking you guys. I don't know how much of this I'm going to record because we're not campers. We've never done anything like this. What's up here, Mr. Motorcycle Man? And it's new, so maybe I don't know, maybe we'll have some laughs. It says bump. Oh, it's a big bump. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's a fisherman and his ram. They've really come up quite a bit. Cool with it. Off-roading, right? Off-roading, because they removed the road, so we're off-roading on the Can-Am Spyder. See, you don't need to build, what is that, a canyon? Spyder do anything a canyon will do. Except for this one, because the nose is like that far off the ground. I don't get it. I miss the black. Oh, bumpy road. I miss the black F3. Like, that would be so fun, because now most of my rides are literally just me riding my Spyder. Thing would be a blast down here. Oh, so the hippie camp's gone. Big camper. 2.2 miles. We're turning left. Are we done? Cuckoo. Oh, I love new blacktop. And I'm glad it's not 100 degrees, because this would be really, really, really hot. Yeah, isn't this just gorgeous down here? So, on that, I'm gonna let everybody go. If you could, give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road. And yes, we're gonna turn on the cruise so I can turn you off and turn that on. See, I like this mode the best. And then I can hit play and